Hello students, welcome back to Yup Master, and here we are discussing the second episode of Boost Your Score. The series that we have started regarding the mistakes done by most of the students while attempting the question paper. Okay, for those who are going to appear in the NEET 2020 exam in the coming days, or those who are in class 12th and expected to give the exam in 2021, and those who have selected biology as their choice of subject and are likely to give exam in 2022 or thereafter. The suggestions are for everyone. It is not necessary that you need to appear to the exam to implement all those type of suggestions that we are making here. You can apply them at your own practice, at your own place while doing the questions. Okay, so earlier we have discussed that there are certain terms which sound similar, which are read similarly, but they have different meanings or they have different type of applications, so they create certain times some confusion sort of thing in your mind while attempting the paper. I told you the mistakes are usual for the student because you are attempting the biology questions with much more pace. Means you can say for 90 questions around 40-45 minutes you are spending, so the mistakes are usual. So we can keep a check on such mistakes by analyzing the mistakes of others. Okay, we will like to share our experience on such issues of the student, such problems of the student. So here we go with our second episode for Boost Your Score. So the thing is that if you are having any kind of problem regarding memorizing the examples or the questions that are having so many number of options or so many number of examples, say for example in the previous NEET question there was a question like that which was having 15 examples in it, and they were asking the position of ovary, right, hypogynous. So in that condition we are obviously getting confused. Now how to remember the example, what to do to remember such examples then, or how we can avoid such type of mistakes. Okay, so while completing your score or when you are studying anything, in that cases you need to know that how the examples can be memorized. To memorize the example, the best way is to make a collection of all the type of terminology related to that example on one single page, because fortunately NCERT is giving the name of such example repeatedly in different chapters. We have some examples like this. I am just citing one such case, you can identify the others as well. What are such cases? I am having such examples, and here I am saying the thing is, see, when someone is asking to me that how we can answer about mustard, how I can answer anything about mustard. So mustard, if I say, you can see the name of mustard in different chapters. The thing is, the diagram is given in morphology. Yeah, true. Where? Beginning, in root chapter. So I can say that why they are giving that particular diagram there for the roots. Actually mustard is having taproot system. Then again later on you can identify the same thing after studying about leaf and the stem type of character. You can again identify mustard is having alternate phyllotaxy. In the same chapter later on the page number 78 of NCERT in taxonomic descriptions, they are saying about the floral formula, floral diagram, of mustard family. You can even mention the shape of corolla in the same flower chapter as cross shaped. That's why the family is crucifer. Not up to here, the name mustard will come again. Mustard will come again in different other chapters as well. Means you can say that this type of mustard or this example mustard can be written along with rapeseed mustard. in strategies chapter. So we have several such places where mustard has been given. So you need to collect all the information in one place. I can just give you one more such example, and that particular example is coming for the same easy example in which the students are getting confused. And what is that? The example is of aspergillus. Now where aspergillus is given? The aspergillus is given for the first time in biological classification where they are giving the diagram of what? Conidia. You can see the diagram in NCERT. Then aspergillus is given later in the chapters where? Not here. Actually in the second year, means in the 12th NCERT, they are writing it again. Aspergillus is mentioned for other characters like what? Citric acid. Okay. Or if you go for different type of antibiotics in beyond the NCERT, you will look for flavicin. If you look for previous year question, you will find that aspergillus is having one more name, and that is what? Guinea pig of plant kingdom. So whenever you find such an example who is having so many importances or given in different chapters, better to collect them at one place. With the name, it is difficult to remember, but if you know the uses, if you know the application, it is easier to remember about the example. This is why we say whenever you are coming across with the example, you need to maintain a small book or a small copy where you can write the name of examples. You can write them in alphabetical order as well, and just write the lines about them, because examples are getting repeated in NCERT. So this is what we need to tell for today's series, today's episode. In the next episode, we will study about the other type of mistakes done by the most of students. Okay, thank you for joining us at Yup Master. Stay connected with us. Download the Yup Master app where you can see the live classes, you can watch the recorded lectures, you can have the questions, and you have the practice test as well as the test based on the previous papers and ideally scientifically designed. Thank you. All the best.